Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. And this is day 47 of our COVID-19 quarantine. And today we're starting with some cooking. And we got some spaghetti factory sauce in here. Kamakana's making. So we're going to let this cook. And then we got a lot going on. We got some garlic going on. We're making some garlic butter. And what else we're making? We're going to make some spaghetti factory, more dressing, right? Right. And then we got you know what kind of dough that is? Let's see if you can figure it out. Well, we are making, what are you making, Kamakana?
I'm making ranch dressing.
Spaghetti factory dressing?
Yeah.
Pesto dressing. He's making a pesto. We ran out already. Got the garlic, making garlic butter. We're just going to make a big bowl and keep it in the fridge. It's going to have to peel all that garlic right there. And then we got another step coming. And we brought out Old Beauty right here. And we got the dough ready. And we'll be making some pasta noodles. Okay, what did you come up with?
I came up with pesto. We doubled the recipe, so now we have 2 cans.
Yay! Well, we are making some pasta. All right, what are we making there? Fresh what?
Fresh spaghetti noodles.
Let's see it. I can't see the noodles. There we go. There we go. Come on, kind of look at that. What do you think? How cool is that? Lift it up. Wow. Well, we got our pasta noodle drying on a hanger. We tried a baby bottle thing. I think we have to figure this out. We made one dough. It's kind of too soft. But we made 2 batches, so we shall see. We will get this down. All right? Aloha.